Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar in Shopify header. This is a fantastic way to enhance your store's navigation and help customers find exactly what they're looking for quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct store if you manage multiple shops, as this will ensure you're making changes to the right one. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left side of your screen and click on Settings. This is your control center for all the behind-the-scenes configurations of your Shopify store. From here, you'll be able to access various tools and integrations that can improve your store's functionality. Now, still on the left side within the Settings area, click on Apps, then click on Shopify App Store. This opens up the marketplace where you can find thousands of apps designed to enhance your store's capabilities, from marketing tools to inventory management and everything in between. In the search bar at the top of the App Store, type Rapid Search and hit Enter. From the results that appear, click on RSAI Search Bar and Filter. This app is specifically designed to add a powerful customizable search bar to your store, making it easier for customers to locate products. Next, click the Install button. This action will direct you to another tab where the app will request access to some personal and store data. Don't worry, this is standard procedure for apps that need to integrate with your store. Go ahead and click Install to proceed with the setup. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the installation completes. Depending on your internet connection and the app's size, this might take a few seconds. Just be patient and let the process finish before moving on. Once the installation is done, click Next. Then you'll see an option labeled Customizable Search Bar. Click on that to move forward with configuring your new search feature. This is where you'll begin tailoring the search bar to match your store's design and functionality needs. After clicking Next again, you'll be prompted to input your email address. Type it in and click Save. This email will be used for notifications and updates related to the app, so make sure it's an address you check regularly. Now you'll see a section titled Add a Search Bar to your storefront. Directly below that, click the Add a Search Bar button, then click Add Customizable Search Bar. This step officially adds the search functionality to your store's header area. The system will now direct you to your theme editor. This is where the magic happens. First, make sure the toggle button on Rapid Search Script and Search is enabled. If it's not, simply click the toggle to turn it on. This ensures the search bar will actually function on your live site. Now you can start editing your search bar's appearance. Change the search icon to something that fits your brand's aesthetic. Adjust the button background color to match your store's color scheme. You can also adjust the position to right, which will place the search bar on the right side of your header for better visibility. There's even more customization available if you want to dive deeper. You can modify the placeholder text that appears in the search box, adjust the width and height to fit your layout, and tweak other visual elements to create a seamless integration with your existing design. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, click the Save button on the upper right corner. This locks in all your changes and makes them live on your store. Your customers will now have a fully functional, beautifully designed search bar to help them navigate your products effortlessly. And there you have it, you've successfully added a customizable search bar to your Shopify header. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.